The asteroid belt is an area located between Mars and Jupiter that contains millions of rocks, dust, and other particles. It is the most noticeable feature of the solar system, since it marks the limit of the inner solar system. It has been estimated that the total mass of objects in the asteroid belt is only a fraction of the mass of the Moon. Most of the asteroids in the belt are irregularly shaped and vary in size from a few tens of meters to several hundred kilometers. The largest asteroid is called Ceres and is even classified as a dwarf planet. Until this is confirmed, however, there is no need to panic as there are a variety of ways to deflect or destroy oncoming asteroids. Many countries and organizations are already working on potential solutions, so there is no need to worry if it does turn out to be a real threat. Scientists and mission planners are also developing strategies for how to prepare for an asteroid on a collision course. If the asteroid does come near Earth, then emergency procedures would be needed to prepare for a possible impact. Safety systems would need to be implemented to protect citizens and defend against any possible destruction the asteroid may cause. Governments are already discussing the various protocols and plans that would need to be in place if an asteroid does turn out to be incoming. Even if it seems unlikely that the asteroid will make it to Earth, it is still essential to have a plan in case it does. There could be serious consequences if the asteroid is not dealt with in the safest and most effective manner. However, it is important to remember that there is still no definitive proof that an asteroid is coming to Earth. Many astronomers believe that an asteroid is being tracked in our direction, but this has not been confirmed yet. Until an asteroid is confirmed as a real threat, there is no reason to be alarmed and to overreact to this possibility. It is crucial that people remain calm and take the necessary steps to prepare for a possible asteroid impact. Even if an asteroid is not confirmed, there are still ways to prepare for what could happen if an asteroid is on its way. Potential solutions could include creating a space mission to intercept the asteroid before it reaches Earth. Other preventative measures could include changing the asteroid's trajectory so that it bypasses our planet. Either way, everyone should be prepared for the possibility that there might be an asteroid coming to Earth. The most important thing is that the public is informed if and when the asteroid is confirmed so that safety measures can be taken. Preparing for the possibility of an asteroid colliding with Earth is much easier to do if everyone is informed and knows what to do. Until then, people should stay updated on the situation and be ready to make the necessary steps in the event of an impending asteroid. Being aware of the likelihood of an asteroid could also help make it easier to respond quickly and appropriately should one come near Earth.